Hey writers, I'm Samantha Panzera with Aspiring Writer Academy, and I teach the tech and marketing side of things here. Real fast, a little bit about me. I got my start back in 2012 when my mom offered Darlene Panzera, started getting a bunch of traditional book contracts. And at the time, I was in college for integrated multimedia, and I was learning web design and Photoshop and video editing and all those fun tech and marketing classes. And so naturally, I helped my mom build an offer website, create bookmarks and other promotional materials. And after I graduated college, I started doing freelance graphic design. So today, I'm super excited to be talking to you about how to get all the chapters of your book to start on the right-hand side and not the left. A common problem I see with a lot of self-published authors is their chapters may just start on the left-hand side of the book, and then some may start on the right. And so how to get that consistent, all chapters start on the right, and how to format your book. Okay, let's get to the video. So one quick tip that I really love to help ensure getting all your chapters in Microsoft Word using the Amazon KDP template start on the right is inserting different section page breaks to get all your chapters to be on a odd numbered page. Having your chapters start on an odd number page will help ensure that it'll be on the right-hand side when it's printed. And so sometimes when a page doesn't naturally end up on a odd number page, you got to add a blank page to get that page to start on the right. So inserting the right section breaks is super important when formatting your chapters. That way you can have a blank page with no page number on that page before that and get a nice clean looking chapter. So one of the next things I'm going to do when formatting this manuscript for print is I'm going to make sure that every chapter starts on the right-hand side. And so if that chapter already starts on the right, I'll leave it, but some of them may need a blank page inserted to make sure that they all align on the right-hand side. And so to go about doing this, first you're going to start at the beginning of your manuscript. And right here, I have it in 2-page view. If you only have it in one, you can go down to your cursor in Microsoft Word and move the zoom out where you get this 2-panel view where you can see the 2-page layout of your manuscript. So going to the top, you know automatically that the title of your book in that first inside page is going to be on the right of your book. And right here, this would mean that the Golden Horizons copyright page would be on the left-hand side. And right here, the acknowledgements would be on the right. Next, I have a blank page inserted. That way, chapter 1 starts on the right-hand side. If I did not insert this blank page here, chapter 1 would start on the left, and we don't want that. We want it starting nice and fresh on the right-hand side of the page. And so I'm going to now scroll down to chapter 2. Now, right here, chapter 2 is on the right, and because things are a little bit off, where I know chapter 1 here would be starting on the left, I'm going to go in and insert a blank page. So going to layout, I'm going to select next page. And that inserted a blank page. And so chapter 2 is now here on the left, meaning that it will be on the right. I know that's a little confusing, blank page here. So basically, to make sure that your chapters start on the right, when in this layout view, you're going to want to make sure that they're on the left. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the content in this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. That way you get notified each time we come out with future videos. And also, in the link in the description below, be sure to download our free Brainstorming Your Story Idea worksheet. It's filled with a bunch of fill-in-the-blank pages and templates and story examples, all to help you get started on your novel. All right, catch you next time.